Alright, hey guys, welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur anything in the video using BGBlur.com. So BGBlur.com is a free/paid tool which allows you to do blur anything in this case in the video itself. The way it works is you upload a video and then the video is broken down into a bunch of different images. So to give you an example, a single second of video is around 30 to 25 fps on an average. That means a single second has 25 to 30 images. The way software works is that it's going to break down videos into these small images. Like it's going to open up all the images and then inside each image it's going to apply the blur. So a 10-second video has 300 images, and imagine blurring the same individual thing that you want to blur across all these elements is hard to do, and which is why BGBlur makes it easy. But like I said, it consumes a lot of compute, so we give you some starting free credits to start using the product, and at some point in time if you feel happy with it, then you can obviously go ahead or try paying for the product itself. So I'm going to click on upload video here, and when I click on the upload video you get blur anything option here. So I'm going to click on blur anything, and in this it gives you an option if you want to upload a video, if you want to upload a JPEG, PNG and so on. You get all the options here. So what I want to do is I want to show you like a very specific example. So let me find a video. So this is a 4-second video, and let's say I want to blur the entire screen on the right side of the video, right? So I want to upload this video first, and it's going to tell you how many credits are required for this, and then upgrade for, okay, never mind. So I'm going to just do screen here, and I'm going to press enter. So I want to blur the screen in the video. So I went ahead and added screen here, and I'll go ahead and now click on blur screen. What this will do is this will essentially open the video, find the screen across the board and blur screen across all the images that it breaks down the video into. It's going to give you the final output. So now let's calculate this with me. It has 5 seconds and the video is around 60 fps. So 60 into 5, which is 300 images. So this is going to break your video down into 300 images, apply blur in all 300 of them, and it's going to give you the output. So like I said, it's very expensive to solve this because you need to process every single frame using a GPU, which makes it a bit more expensive, which is also why we don't have this free forever, because if I do free forever, we'll essentially run out of money and we'll have to close the startup. So our goal is to make sure that we try to find like that affordability place that works for you and also works for us. So what we've done with this, we've tried to make sure that we give you the product in as little cost as possible. At the same time, we maximize the optimization to make sure that we spend as less as possible on the background. So our solution is ready here, and you can see the screen is blurred across the video. So now you can do this for anything. If you blurred screen, you can blur my glasses, you can blur my mustache, you can blur my chair, you can blur my shirt. You can literally do anything with this flow. And it allows you to keep the control of the, by making sure, like if I told this, obviously the screen is not moving. Even if your object is moving across the video, you can get it blurred here. So could be anything, right? A mic, something that you don't want your users to focus on. So yeah, this is how you blur anything you want in the video. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.